All right, guys, and now I'm recording. Sorry, I can't see. It's so bright outside that you can't see your own camera. But I am done with the ship tour, and now it is time to go check out Nassau. It's a beautiful day today. Yesterday was not. There is our massive ship. So big you can't even get it into full view. The rest of the family has already taken off and gone to Nassau. They left me behind, but yeah, I told them to go because I have to do the ship tour. I don't know how good it's going to turn out, but I got it done. So there's 6 ships here. There's the Allure, which is us, the Celebrity Reflection, which we saw yesterday, the Carnival Freedom with no whale tail, the Disney Magic, the Carnival Sunrise with the whale tail, and the Carnival Conquest, also with the whale tail. So I took the Carnival Freedom 2 years ago, and the week after I went on that cruise is when the whale tail caught on fire. They put it back on and it burnt off again. I think they're gonna leave it off until they really revamp that ship. So yeah, this is the new port in Nassau, and I have not been here since it has been rebuilt or built. So I'm interested to see what it looks like. They got this nice little walk through. It's covered up, keeps you out, not only out of the rain, but it also keeps the sun off of you, so that's cool. All right, so let's walk, and then we will see what's going on the other end. Now this port is made for cruise ships that do 3-4 day cruises. So you will rarely ever see a cruise ship here that does like a 7-day cruise. And they all mainly come from Fort Lauderdale and Miami. Sometimes from South Carolina. I believe the Sunrise comes from South Carolina. I know the Elation comes here from Jacksonville, talking about the Carnival ships. And then Port Canaveral, there's a lot of ships that come here as well. Tell you what, you'll get your steps in. This is a haul right here. But so far, I do like the new port area. It is very clean. It's obviously brand new, but look at that big screen they got right there. Go check out these shops in these areas right here. I just realized I don't have any money whatsoever. That is not good. Woo-hoo, it's hot. Hot, hot day for this white body. Okay, so I have walked the entire port area. I'm very tired. And they still have the straw market. And there it is, right across the street. All right, so this is where you get into the aggressive danger zone. This is where people become extremely aggressive once you cross this area. Advice, keep your pockets zipped, keep everything inside where nobody can get to them. They're very aggressive here. And I know Voyager T is not in the straw market. She would have a nervous breakdown in that place. Trying to find them is a needle in the haystack. I don't see it's going to be even possible. I'm going to do some walking on the streets nonetheless, but I've got to go back into a shop that I just purchased a t-shirt from. It was one of those, oh my God, they have that t-shirt. I got a debit card, but I didn't think it would take because I'm in Nassau, and I didn't call my bank and say, hey, I'm in Nassau. I don't know why that's relevant for you guys, but if you do go to Nassau and you don't have cash on you, they do take American cash, but make sure you talk to your bank and or your credit card company and let them know you're going to be out of the country. That way, if you want to purchase something, you can. I guess that would be your cruise tip of the day. And I'm not one to give cruise tips. Maybe I should start giving you guys cruise tips. Whew. All right, I'm still walking. I'm still near the port, and there's my family right there. There they are. T-shirt. You want to buy a T-shirt? Hello.
Hello.
Where'd y'all go?
We just had margaritas at sea.
I didn't even, I thought, well, I'll walk down here.
They didn't have free
Let's get out of the road. They got free Wi-Fi in the port.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. I tried to call all 4 of you. I did buy something and I had no money. I used my debit card, it took.
Okay, I told them we were coming here.
Oh, okay, good. Thank God. Because I was like, I don't know. My wife's got my credit card.
We're not going back in there.
Did you go?
Oh my God, that's my nightmare. and I let them attack her.
It's aggressive as hell,
They fed
ain't
on
it?
her like she was a feeder.
I bet that was some competition for you.
No, I just stood there.
Oh. You played the silent treatment?
Yeah.
Oh, as soon as I walked through that gate, sunglasses, nope. Braid, free, nope. I know. I've got to show you the T-shirt I bought. There's only one reason why I would buy a shirt.
I know why already. It's not because it says I love Tiffany.
So I couldn't figure out what that was, but that is an amphitheater. Beautiful grass, pretty neat. And they call it the Port Amphitheater. One thing that you should know, another cruise tip, when you are at port, you have free Wi-Fi. You can connect to the Nassau port Wi-Fi and have it as you're walking through this whole area. Even though they didn't turn their Wi-Fi on, I couldn't get a hold of them. I just had to find them on the streets. I am a little thirsty. Anybody else?
Cody and I are not thirsty.
Y'all drank, didn't you?
They have one of
Margarita? Tall boy?
I had one beer.
You had a beer? Oh, that's nice. So here's another little port area. I'll take you to that shop where I found that shirt that I just had to have.
It says I love tea.
Yes, it says I love tea. It would. It did. Hey, one of those weird looking hats. I thought about trying one of these on. No? Not me either? Not, what are they called?
Skid lid.
I thought it was a beanie. Skid lid. So this is the Global Portier, the official port shop of Nassau. Got all kinds of knickknacks, here's and there's, and cool little items. This must be the expensive area. They got hats. You need to get a hat. Uh-huh.
Is that what you got?
Short sleeve shirt. Yes, I did.
I saw it when I came down.
You want one too?
No, I'm good. We don't need to start dressing on it. It's too much.
We did that Friday.
I mean, is this us? Is that the new us?
Well, it could be. We are back in the room. It is so hot out there, but it's Nassau. It is the Bahamas. It's supposed to be hot. I have to show you this shirt that I got in Nassau. I'm so glad I got off the ship. I saw that and I had to get it. And I'm going to insert picture of why I had to get it. So yes, he looks just like our brand new Chihuahua Fritz. That's the only one they had too. Like the only shirt they had that was a dog or anything. And it just happened to be the same shot of my dog, Fritz. Here is Nassau from above. Yeah, they're trying to clean up the area. When I get to the other side of the ship, I will show you the construction that Royal Caribbean, how they're doing. The area that they bought out, they're building some stuff over there on the other side of the dock as well. So I'll show you that once I get over to that side. We are on deck 5. We're on the running track. This goes completely around the ship. But this is the future Royal Caribbean island right here that they are building. They bought this entire strip and they are going to make it their own. And I think that's why these ships are always docked on this side, because they're eventually going to have a way to go over there. I think they're going to make like a bridge or something that goes over to this area. And there's the Celebrity Reflection. Yeah.
For the diving.
Yeah.
Peek in.
If this was open, you can see them. Yeah, this curtain opens up. You can see the boardwalk and the aqua theater. Oh, here you go, right here. This isn't weird for them. Yeah, they're practicing. Oh God, sorry, my knees are really bad. Oh, they got shuffleboard behind the aqua theater. I didn't know that. So yeah, they're doing all their practicing right now. It's really cool to watch them practice. We're getting on the carousel. Oh, I don't know. What animal do I want? What animal do I want? Ooh, I want this. I want this. How do I get on it? How do I get on it? Oh, okay, I see. I'm getting on the... There we go. Yes, sir. I'm on the carousel. Here we go. You ready, Cody?
I'm ready.
Oh, it's gonna be crazy. This is actually kind of fun.
It is kind of fun, actually.
I'm actually having a good time here. Wee! Here's a better shot of Nassau and the future home of Royal Caribbean's island, strip, whatever you want to call it. Look at those houses. Wow. There's Atlantis. Beautiful hotel. Expensive hotel, and they do have a casino. Way down. We're doing trivia. That's easy.
That's number 6 on your papers.
Day 3's in the books, the end of the cruise. We got to get up at 8 o'clock in the morning. It is 2:30 in the morning right now. I need to be in bed. I'm gonna close where I always close, right here on this balcony. I've been walking around trying to find a place to close and sit down, and this is perfect, as I almost bust my butt. I'll have to wrap my head around this cruise and give you my take on it. I love the ship. The Allure of the Seas is one of my favorite ships, but it is old and it needs to be revamped bad. The rooms are outdated. There's no USB ports or anything. Even the plugs that are in there are outdated and they barely work. It's just old. You know, they need to redo it. They need to do an overhaul on this ship because it's worn down. We did go to Nassau today. I was able to do the ship tour today, which was great. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it, and I did actually get to do it, so that was good. I went down to Nassau, walked around. That was great. It was super hot in Nassau. And as always, the people in Nassau, when you get out to the straw market in that area, they're so aggressive. It's a different country, different culture. That's just the way they do things. They try to make money, and those cruise ships are their ticket. It wasn't that hard getting back to the ship. It wasn't that crowded. They had a pretty big area to get back into the port area to get back to your ship. One thing I will say, you have to have an ID, a photo ID, and a SeaPass card, obviously. So if you do go off the ship in Nassau, do not forget to take your ID too. Some people just think you can get off the ship with a SeaPass card and that's it. If I hadn't had my driver's license, they wouldn't have let me back in the port. It is the end. Thank you guys so much for watching the Allure of the Seas cruise. And by the way, I got to meet Travel Spree, who are legitimate cruise vloggers, and they are super, super nice people. I didn't want to bother him. I was wanting to actually get in his head and ask him how he started his vlog and how his whole process and how he started selling stuff like that, but I didn't want to bother him. But they are both super, super nice people. Voyager T and her mom, they love watching them. They love watching them more than me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like button, share button, also the notification bell. That way, every time I put out a new video, you guys will be the first to know. And when you hit the subscribe button, like button, and share button, it doesn't cost you a dime. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want you to subscribe to my channel so I can keep doing this stuff because I like doing it. I will see you guys next month when we are on the Celebrity Reflection. Can't wait for that one. First time we'll ever be on a celebrity cruise ship. Until then, this is Heath saying peace and love, and I will see you on my next voyage. Bye-bye. Now if I can figure out how to open this door.